Hello everyone, Namaskar, Raj Krishna this side. Let's solve this question which appeared in GATE examination 2015. It says Newton-Raphson method is used to find the roots of the equation. Equation is given. If the initial guess is x naught equals to 1, then the value of x after the second iteration is. So in this question, we don't need to find the interval in which the root lies because they have already given the value x naught. Okay, so we can directly start using the iteration formula, which for Newton-Raphson method is xn plus 1 is xn minus value of function at xn divided by derivative of function at xn. So let's write our function once again, which is x cube plus 2x square plus 3x minus 1, and its derivative will become 3x square plus 4x plus 3. Okay, now in order to find the value of x2, so x2 will involve x1, so we need to find x1 first. So x1 will be x naught 1 less than this minus value of function at x naught divided by uh, derivative at x naught. X naught is nothing but 1 minus value of function at 1 divided by derivative of function at 1. So value of function at 1 becomes, so your value of function at 1 becomes 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 6 6 minus 1 is 5, and your derivative at 1 is 7 plus 3 10. So this you are getting is 1 minus 5 by 10, which is 1 minus 1 by 2, which is half, that means 0.5. Okay, now we can use this x1 value in the calculation of x2, which will be x1 minus value of function at x1 divided by derivative of function at x1. So your x2 will be, x1 is 0.5 minus value of function at 0.5 derivative of function at 0.5. Okay, let me use my own calculator this time. So the value of function at zero point 0.5, that means I need to calculate 0.5 whole cube and then plus 2 times 0.5 whole square and plus 3 times 0.5 minus 1. This is giving me 1.125. Okay, so x2 is 0.5 minus 1.125. Let's check what we are getting in denominator, which is derivative at 0.5. So this will be 3 times 0.5 square. 4 times 0.5 is 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5.75. Let's do calculator once again. So 0.5 minus 1.125 divided by 5.75, and I am getting 0.30438 from here. So depending on what was the requirement of the paper, I have no idea of that. So you can report answer up to how many decimal places they want their answer to be. So 0.304348 is our approximate value. So this is what we have got. Yes, of course, I took a bit more time just to explain you and write this formal things. Otherwise, you would have taken a very lesser amount of time. But yes, this type of problems takes some time to do. It also depends on the amount of practice you have done in this type of problem. Thanks again. For more such problems, you can always visit the playlist. of GATE and also for this topic as well. Thanks again.